Tareem Khalid here, and the topic of my presentation is concept of taxonomy, and we are going to start with introduction. What is taxonomy? Is the science of grouping biodiversity into species, describing the species and classifying diversity into higher level taxa that reflect the evolutionary history. It teaches the qualitative and quantitative techniques that are today used to describe the species. What are the other definitions of taxonomy? Theory and practice of classifying organism. And what is classification? Arrangement of animals into groups having similar characteristics. It is also the identification or determination, identifying animals by recognition of certain characters. And now nomenclature is the naming of organism according to International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. Corliss Linnaeus introduced the binomial system of nomenclature. The binomial nomenclature involves each organism being given a two-part name using Latin as a standard language. The genus name is capitalized and may be abbreviated by the first initial. The species name is not capitalized and cannot be used alone. Empire Prokaryota and Empire Eukaryota. Prokaryota only involves the kingdom Monera, and Eukaryota involves kingdom Fungi, kingdom Protista, kingdom Plantae, kingdom Animalia. I've shown the pictures of 5 kingdoms, and these may be unicellular or multicellular eukaryotic like Plantae, Fungi, Animalia, and Protista, and Monera. I've also shown the prokaryotic, which may be unicellular like bacteria and archaea. The Linnean hierarchy in 10th edition of system, which was in 1758, like the kingdom may be divided into class, order, genus, species, and variety, which may be shown in the picture given. Common hierarchical ranks include domain, which may be further used as kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Now I would like to talk about the basic rules of course. Number 1 is priority. The first name applied to a taxon is the name that will be used. Priority relates to the date of publication. The oldest valid name of a taxon, which may be a senior name, takes over all the other names of a taxon. Priority is not intended to upset the stability in instances where a name change would cause much confusion. The course provides provisions that permit the conversion to a younger and well-established name. Any works published in 1758 or after are considered published. These were all about the basic rules, codes of taxonomy. Thank you so much. This was all about my topic, which was my presentation related to taxonomy. I have discussed the definitions of taxonomy. I've also talked about the classification and their common characteristics and their discovery well there related to the presentation. Thank you so much.